If you've been waiting for a Samsung phone that delivers big battery life, a premium display, solid performance, and long software support without stepping into flagship pricing, then you need to check out the brand new Samsung Galaxy M47 5G. Samsung is clearly pushing the M series even further this year, and on paper, this phone looks like one of the strongest mid-range contenders of 2026. But does it actually live up to the hype? Or is it just another spec sheet that looks better than the real experience? Today we're taking a detailed hands-on style look at everything the Galaxy M47 has to offer, from the display and performance to the cameras, battery life, software, and whether it's worth your money. So stay till the end because there are a few surprises that make this phone much more interesting than I initially expected. And before we jump in, make sure to subscribe to the channel and drop a like because it really helps us bring you more smartphone reviews, comparisons, and the latest tech updates every single week. Starting with the design, Samsung has kept things clean and modern. The Galaxy M47 measures just 7.8 millimeters thick, which is surprisingly slim considering it packs a massive 6,000 mAh battery. At around 200 grams, it has a reassuring feel in the hand without becoming uncomfortable during long gaming sessions or extended video watching. The phone features Gorilla Glass Victus Plus on both the front and the back, while the frame is made of plastic. Honestly, that's a smart balance between durability and keeping the price competitive. You also get IP64 dust and splash resistance along with drop protection rated for falls up to 2 meters, giving users extra confidence during everyday use. The front is dominated by a beautiful 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display, and this is one of the biggest highlights of the Galaxy M47. Samsung continues to lead when it comes to AMOLED panels, and this one offers a smooth 120Hz refresh rate with a full HD plus resolution that keeps everything looking crisp and vibrant. Colors are punchy, blacks are deep, and scrolling through apps or social media feels incredibly fluid. Outdoor visibility is also impressive thanks to brightness levels reaching up to 1,400 nits in high brightness mode, making it much easier to use under direct sunlight. Whether you're binge-watching Netflix, scrolling Instagram, or playing games, this display should deliver an excellent experience. Powering everything is Qualcomm's Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 chipset built on the efficient 4nm process. While this isn't designed to compete with flagship processors, it's definitely capable enough for everyday multitasking, gaming, and productivity. Combined with the Adreno 710 GPU, users can expect stable gaming performance in titles like PUBG Mobile, Call of Duty Mobile, Mobile Legends, and Free Fire with smooth frame rates on balanced settings. Samsung is offering both 6GB and 8GB RAM options paired with fast UFS 3.1 storage, making app launches and file transfers noticeably quicker than older budget devices. Storage options include 128GB and 256GB. And if that's still not enough, there's microSD card support, although it shares the SIM slot. One of the strongest reasons to consider this phone is the software experience. The Galaxy M47 launches with Android 16 and Samsung's latest One UI 8.5. But what really stands out is Samsung promising up to 6 major Android upgrades. That's absolutely incredible in this price category and means buyers can realistically use this phone for many years without worrying about software becoming outdated. Samsung's interface continues to improve with smoother animations, useful customization features, excellent security options, and reliable optimization that keeps the experience feeling polished over time. If you're enjoying this review so far, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe because we're constantly testing the newest smartphones, comparing gaming performance, camera quality, and helping you find the best phone for your budget. Now let's talk about cameras. The Galaxy M47 features a triple camera setup led by a 50-megapixel main sensor with optical image stabilization. OIS makes a huge difference by helping reduce blur in both photos and videos, especially in lower lighting conditions. Samsung's image processing usually delivers vibrant colors, balanced dynamic range, and natural skin tones, making everyday photography enjoyable. Supporting the main sensor is a 5-megapixel ultra-wide camera for landscapes and group shots, along with a 2-megapixel macro sensor for close-up photography. Video recording goes all the way up to 4K at 30 frames per second, while gyro-based electronic stabilization helps produce smoother footage during handheld recording. On the front, there's a 12-megapixel selfie camera with autofocus and HDR support for sharper selfies and better video calls. Battery life could easily become the biggest selling point here. The 6,000 mAh battery is massive, and when paired with the efficient Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 and AMOLED display, users can realistically expect excellent endurance. Heavy users should comfortably get through an entire day, while moderate users could even stretch into a second day without reaching for the charger. When you finally do need to recharge, Samsung includes support for 45W wired fast charging along with bypass charging, which is especially useful for gamers since it can power the phone directly while reducing battery heat during extended gaming sessions. Looking at connectivity, Samsung isn't cutting many corners. The Galaxy M47 supports full 5G connectivity, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC for contactless payments, USB Type-C with OTG support, and multiple satellite navigation systems for accurate location tracking. The only thing some users might miss is the 3.5mm headphone jack, which has now disappeared from many modern smartphones. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy M47 looks like a very balanced mid-range smartphone that focuses on delivering the features people actually use every day. A premium AMOLED display, reliable Snapdragon performance, excellent battery life, long-term software support, optical image stabilization, durable Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection, and modern connectivity all come together in a package priced at around €210. If Samsung delivers the real-world performance these specifications promise, the Galaxy M47 could easily become one of the best value smartphones in its category for 2026. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Samsung Galaxy M47 and whether you'd choose it over the competition. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest smartphone reviews, gaming tests, comparisons, and hands-on tech videos.